All right, guys, welcome. This is a short 15-minute video about how me, Coach Saliba G, can change your life forever. We're going to go through a lot of great information regarding on how to get your dream body in the shortest amount of time. All right, what we're going to learn is how to avoid doing hours of cardio and weight training. You don't really need to spend crazy amount of time in the gym to get the results you want. Strength training is definitely the answer for all your fitness solutions. So you're going to see why strength training is for you. We're going to go dive into who I am, who I've helped, and how it could help you guys. All right. So let's start there. My background started in Rutgers University, where I got my bachelor's degree, and then I moved on, got my master's degree in sports performance and rehab science. I have over 10 years of experience working with athletes and the general population. There I am on the top right, during class, being silly, taking selfies, and a lot of my work is in strength and conditioning. So I help people perform, whether you're an athlete or not athlete. No matter what, I could help you. I do specialize in corrective exercise and sports psychology, which makes me a little bit unique. All right. So let's dive into what strength training is. Okay. So strength training is performing exercises with dumbbells and barbells. All right. Most of the time, it activates bigger muscles like your chest, your back, your legs, like bench press and squatting. But you could also do some smaller muscle activation like your biceps, triceps, calves, and and it does definitely hit your stabilizers. All right. Also, strength training can be your body weight movements like your benching, your push-ups and your pull-ups. Right. These are great tools to definitely great exercises to do. All right. It helps build your muscles the right way and gets the tone look that you're looking for. Okay. Definitely we definitely hit core exercises like planks and low abs. All right. So conditioning is also great to get that lean and body that you've always been looking for. Um, Cardio is divided into two sections. There's your long distance running, your short distance running, and sprints are definitely included in the short distance running. I mean, we all already know, it's heart and respiratory health is awesome with cardio and overall quality of life, but a lot of people don't realize cardio definitely helps you get that lean body look that you want. All right. Corrective exercises. I don't know if you ever heard of it or not. If not, it's pretty much exercises that are done primarily in a physical therapy setting. It helps activate smaller muscles. When you activate smaller muscles, then they work better. Your bigger muscles work, more efficiently. Okay, efficient muscles means health, increasing your health and little to no pain. Okay, the difference between rehab and prehab. Rehab is after you get injured. Prehab is something to prevent injury. Okay, just avoiding joint pain, a lot of back pain, avoiding that, and just overall these exercises help your body work for you rather than you work for your body. Okay, so corrective exercise just pretty much makes us feel better overall. All right, my work experience started in the athletic training room in the collegiate level, where we focus a lot of rehab, and I help a lot of the athletes bounce back from serious injuries to non-serious injuries. No matter what it is, I've helped individuals for about 10 years, help them build strength, whether they have lifted weights or not lifted weights, right? So this is amazing. Combining, the rehab portion and the strength training really, changes people's lives forever. Okay, ladies, now I'm talking to you. All right. If you are sitting and listening to me right now and telling yourself or asking yourself, well, if I lift weights, am I going to look like this person on the top left or these two ladies on the bottom left, right? This is a myth that I want to end right now, okay? You're going to look like these ladies on the right, on the top, and the two ladies on the bottom right, all right? Weight training definitely gets you that nice tone look. Obviously you have to do the right weight training. This is where I'm going to help you, okay? Right? Do you want to look like a marathon runner or a sprinter, okay? Sprinter has a little bit more fuller look. Marathon runner is a little bit lean. No matter what, strength training helps you, whether you're a female or even a male. All right, look at these guys. Here on the left, you have the cross country, and then the middle right, you have the sprinter. No matter what, weight training could get the goals that you are looking for and really help you attain your dream body. All right. whatever specific goals you have, whether it's gaining weight for the gentleman, increasing size or muscle mass, I'm going to help you gain good weight without taking crazy supplements. As well as lose weight, ladies, get tone, flat belly, sculpt arms, but no matter what, male or female, I can definitely help you get your dream body. In addition to my workouts, it's amazing because a lot of you guys now play organized sports, so I just throw this in there. I mean, a lot of my clients who've worked out with me and have listened to what my workouts and followed my workouts, definitely seen a better performance whether they played softball or golf or basketball, whatever. This is a really bonus that just happens when you work out the way I tell you to work out. Okay, remember, each program that I write for you guys is tailored to your needs. Whether, again, if you're looking to increase weight or gain weight or lose weight, okay? How my training works is it's full of injury prevention. You foam roll, you warm up, then you go into your basic exercises, so your squats, your bench. Okay, again, it's grows your muscle in a good way, and it tones your muscles overall. Again, it's tailored to your needs. So depending on what you're looking for, if you're want to gain weight or gain muscle mass, you're going to be lifting a little bit different weights than somebody that's looking to burn fat and get leaner. Okay, no matter what, your goals will be attained while lifting weights. Okay, so after you do the big compound exercise, you go into the HIIT portion. This is where I'll definitely teach you guys how to use this efficiently, because this is very key. It helps you burn fat even after you work out. Again, it's the whole theme of your body is working for you. Okay, helps you build that lean body look that you are looking for, and it's amazing. Okay, so again, a lot of my stuff or some of my programs are included with injury prevention type stuff. Like I mentioned before, you have your foam rolling, your stretching, and then I do a lot of hip and shoulder mobility and core activation. It's really awesome. It helps you avoid any low back injuries or injuries in general. Okay, now are you next to get the dream body that you want? Okay, I help kids as young as 10 years old, young adults, so middle school or high schoolers, my college level guys, my adults of all ages, even my older adults. Okay, so no matter what age you are in, weight training could help you. Okay, did you ever doubt yourself and your age? Okay, you're gonna see my client right now and you're gonna say, hey, if he could do it, I could do it. Check this out. This is one of my clients who's over 70 years old, and he was just like you, who doubted weight training, and I'm too old to do this, or it might hurt myself. All right, there is a way to weight train in a very safe environment, and this is where I come in and help you find that way. Okay, so age is nothing but a number. Okay, so really, what's holding you back? If you tell me, hey George, my age is just nothing but a number, so what's really holding you back? Okay, I guarantee you guys results. I know what works. I work out all the time. I've done things that didn't work, and I'm continue doing the things that worked, and I give my clients those recommendations. All right, I don't steer anybody the wrong way. All right, so today we have a bonus. It's usually $97, but today it's free. You're going to learn what the strength goals that you have to set to ensure the results you want. Again, if you want to grow muscle mass or you want to get smaller and get lean, no matter what, I could help you, and we could sit and strategize these strength goals for you. Okay, as well as how strategize between the nutrition and adding HIIT to our workouts. I'm going to teach you the science between high protein diet and why it works like magic. How to calculate the calories your body burns a day and ensure you're eating within your limits. This is so key for those who want to lose weight as well as gain weight, right? So you want to know how much your body's burning. We'll sit down and go in further detail, but last thing in this bonus is your overall fitness assessment that you could do at home. It's 3 easy movements. You'll send me a video, and then I'll assess you, tell you, okay, certain muscles are tight, certain muscles are weak, and then this is where your injury prevention kind of plays a huge role. All right, bonus number 2. So you're going to get really solid workouts that work. Okay, you're going to get into shape for an upcoming event in the fastest possible time frame. Okay, because we're going to work smarter, not harder. Okay, you're going to go and learn why muscle building is important and what are the advantages. 3 things that you're doing which are stopping your progress. Okay, I'm going to give you a 3-time-a-week workout plan, the magic of working out 3 times a week, and you'll see why it works. It's so amazing. Okay, you also get what is RPT and how it will be the solution to all your muscle problems. And guess what? We're going to program it just for your needs. All right, ladies, this is for your triceps, your low abs, whatever the case is. You're also going to get a strategy to combine this RPT with technique for developing the stubborn body parts. Okay. Bonus number 3 is the cardio portion. Again, it's $49, but today it's free. We're gonna go dive a little much deeper into the the different types of cardio. You have the long and short distance, but there's a little bit more to it than that. Why it's important for your results? Okay, what you should really know about it. How to base the HIIT type cardio. This is so key to burning fat in the quickest amount of possible, okay? Because I'm going to provide you a 10-minute workout that's more efficient than being on the treadmill for 1 hour. Think about it. You're gaining 50 minutes worth of your time, and I know everyone's time is valuable. And again, this HIIT type workout is customized to your specific goals, okay? I want to stop here, and I want you to imagine walking into the gym and knowing exactly what to do and how long it will take you to do it. All right? Check this out. These are my clients. They come in and they know what to do. It's amazing, you know. They just walk in, they know exactly what to do, when to do it, and then it makes it a lot easier when you know you have a game plan to fit it in your busy schedule. Okay? So amazing. All right, so bonus number 4 is tracking portion. Again, it's it's free today, but it's usually $39. You're going to get a simple but powerful tool that allows you to measure your progress and set time-bound goals for yourself and easily track the outcome. No more guesswork in our approach. And then I help you set realistic goals to see your success, and then track these small goals. It's really key because a lot of people do set goals that are unrealistic. Okay, and that's really, really bad. All right. And the last thing is, I help you measure your goals. Okay. I'm going to give you the ideal measurements for a good looking physique, a measurement log tab where you could track the progress of your lifts and your strength progress, and measurement log tab where you could track your overall progress. This is amazing because again, people will, quit because they don't see their progress. And sometimes it's right there, but they just don't notice it. Okay. Remember, these 5 offers, is only active for a limited time only. Get the key to long-lasting results without sacrificing your personal and your social life. Okay, guys, this is a $400 value of type of training and nutritional guidance that I'm giving you, and I've been giving for 2 years. Okay, starting with this webinar, my new price is $197. Okay. So over 50% discount, right? Remember, what is really holding you back from your dream body, okay? All you have to do is click on the link to change your fitness forever, all right? You're going to set up a call with me. We're going to sit down. We're going to figure out the specific goals that you are looking for, and we're going to break them down into small goals that will help you attain on a weekly and monthly basis so that you don't get sidetracked and really get the dream body that you're looking for in the shortest amount of time. Okay, remember, my time is very limited. I can only train and reach out to so many people. So please take advantage of this offer and set up a phone call with me. I hope to talk to you guys soon, and I hope you guys got the most out of this presentation. Again, my name is Coach Saliba. You could find me on Instagram at Coach Saliba. Thank you again for your time and good luck. Talk to you guys soon.